Hello everyone, I'm Aaron from Gas Engineer Software and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to connect your Gas Engineer software to Crezco. Firstly, log into the web portal and then go to your settings, which can be found by clicking here on the settings cog. Then go down to integration settings, scroll down to the bottom of our integration page and you'll see the Crezco panel. Click Connect to Crezco. This will transfer you to a separate page. And here you can choose how you would like to sign up with Crezco. For this example, I'll be using sign up with email. On the next page, type in your email and password and then click create. Once you've clicked create, this will take you to a screen asking for a one-time password. This will be sent to your email and looks like this. Input the code from the email and then click confirm. The next steps is to connect your bank account. Here you can see the list of bank accounts that Crezco connects to. You can also search for your bank. Once you've selected your bank account, this takes you to a QR code or a button that says log in on desktop. For mobile banking via an app, you can scan the QR code and this will open the request within your banking app. Alternatively, click on the login on desktop and log into your bank account on your browser. Follow these steps from your bank and select which account you would like your customers' invoice payments to go into. While the connection is in progress, you will see this screen, and then once the steps have been followed via your bank app, the account you have connected will appear, and if the details are correct, you just need to click confirm. Then you'll be taken back to your Gas Engineer software, and on the Crezco panel you'll see that the connection is now active. If you need any assistance with setting up your Crezco, please contact us on email support@softwareworksforyou.co.uk or call us on 0207 129 7058. Thank you.